Well, it's Thursday, October 29th, 2015. Walking a dog. Nice fall day here. I gotta really get this van going before the snow comes. My friend's still up from Florida, so I don't really want to get involved in too much stuff once he goes back. Okay, I just installed the Robert Hotline for my mom to check on Robert, and she's about to test it. Any minute now. There's Robert on the computer, computing away. What the heck? Hello? There you go. I have to make that louder. There it is, the Robert Hotline. Is it clear?
Yes.
He's so excited, as you can tell. No more sending me up to check on him. Very cool. And it's back to the market going again. I got another credit card today, which is good. So my ratio should be really, really good, around 27%, I think. I didn't do the math yet, I'm just estimating. So that should be cool. I'm overdue to get a FICO score. I don't know how quick they're going to react to this stuff. I know within 30 days I'll see what impact it'll have, but I should be all good for credit now. I don't really need to apply for any more. All I got to do is get the balances paid down somehow, so I don't have to worry about, or counterbalance it with cash, so I don't have to worry about card payments. Well, there's another batch of food. Well, my mom finally made a dinner here. That's pretty cool. It came out perfect too. We ate a couple already. Pork roast my brother gave us a long time ago. It was in a freezer. Yeah, taking the dog out. I'm supposed to meet my friend. She's going to fly back to Tampa tomorrow from Allentown, so I'll meet her about 7:30 in the morning for breakfast. Her family kind of had all their agenda packed up, so I really didn't see her that much. Anyway, I hope she has a good trip. My dog's going crazy. I don't know. He probably wants some of that pork. Hey, y'all have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.